Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn elapsed time together, step by step. Elapsed time means how much time goes by from a start to an end. If you start at 3 o'clock and stop at 3:30, the minute hand moves halfway around. That is 30 minutes of elapsed time. For longer gaps, count the whole hours first. From 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock, hop forward 1 hour at a time. That is 2 hops, so 2 hours. Counting full hours keeps it simple. After the hours, count the extra minutes. On a clock, each big tick is 5 minutes apart. Skip count by fives as the minute hand moves. 5, 10, 15. Add those minutes onto your hours. Let's go from 2:15 to 3:45. First, jump a whole hour to 3:15. That is 1 hour. Then count the minutes to 3:45. That is 30 more minutes. So the elapsed time is 1 hour and 30 minutes. So here is the trick for elapsed time. Count the whole hours first. Then count the extra minutes by fives. Add the hours and minutes together. Going step by step keeps the clock from getting confusing. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at UScoreAcademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.